In the circumstances, the pre-trial is postponed by agreement to 23 September 2022 at 9:30, and the bail of the accused is extended on the same conditions.
Unobhala jikelele weANC omisiwe Magashule usola uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA ngokuxabukela kwezombusazwe nokumkhungathekisa ukuze angabi ingxenye engqungquthele ukukhetha ubuholi beANC ngozibandlela.
It is a deliberate move by the National Prosecuting Authority, and I'm a politician. We are going to a conference in December. I will argue that I am not guilty of anything. I have not stolen a cent. And it is a deliberate move to prevent me from standing as a leader of the African National Congress, because in December we have conference.
Umshushisi wombuso uzichithile izinto ezenziwe uMagashule zokuthi amacala athwese wona anenhlese yezombusazwe.
I'm not going to give a long comment on the speech by Mr. Magashule, apart from to say he can be assured that neither me, nor my office, nor the National Office of the Prosecuting Authority do politics.
Ne-NPA izichithile izinto zikaMagashule zokuthi ukuhlehliswa kwalelicala kokumvimbela ukuba abe ingxenye engqungquthela yeANC ngozibandlela.
We have noted with concerns the allegations made by Mr. Magashule in court today, wherein he's accusing the NPA of being politically motivated in the charges against him. We are not going to get into a blow-by-blow account with him. However, we need to state categorically that we prosecute without fear, favor, or prejudice. We follow evidence. We do not target anyone, and therefore these allegations are baseless.
Ijaji lengamele icala ukusula ngoNhlolanja uSomanaido kulendele ukuthi likhiphe isinqumo sesicelo sikaMagashule sokudlulisa icala. uMagashule nabayishumi asolwa nabo kanye nezinkampani ezisihlanu babheke namacala ngamashumi 7 enkohlakalo, ukukhwabanisa kanye nokushushumbisa imali mayelana nokunikezela kwethenda lika 2025 million lokukhishwa kophahla lwezindlu lwetsheboya iasbestos eFree State.